Okay guys, so it's Sunday. We're at 2007 7 or 10 subscribers, so we're over the 2K now. I'm gonna go pick up the gun, the spray gun, and in the meantime, keep liking the comments, guys. The names, there's a lot of names that haven't been liked. A lot of you are not liking the other names, and that's part of it, guys. I mean, if there's not enough votes or enough likes on certain names, I'm just gonna pick out all of them that have the that are tied up with maybe 2 likes, and pick those out. Like, let's say if there's 3 or 4 of them, and I'm gonna ask you guys to pick one from those 4. So look for the name that you guys like the most and like it. Okay guys, so I got the gun, or the guns. This is what I was talking to you guys about. I'm gonna separate them, and one person's gonna win this, and another person's gonna win this. I just gotta figure out when are we gonna give this one out. So yeah, there it is, guys. Okay guys, so a couple of you guys wanted to see under the hood. There's not that much to see. When I went to the shop, they had all these thing removed. Like, there was most of it removed, and they showed me they showed me the little seals. So basically that's what they did. Everything they did was internal. So there's not that much to see besides what you can see right now. So one thing the guy did tell me was that there wasn't just the valve seals that he replaced. I guess he bought a kit and it came with a lot of other seals. So by the time he put it back, he was replacing all the other seals. So that's a good thing. It's a kit that I guess comes with the valve stem seals. So yeah, I got the plastics right here. That's the main one. I don't know if you can remember, but I removed them. But I removed them when I was looking into it. I never put them back. After that, I took it to the shop and they took care of the other stuff. One thing I do notice is these ones look different. I need to check in my other video, but these ones look new. The cap itself looks new. Yeah, these are new. So I'm pretty sure he replaced those two. Like I told you, well, I didn't tell you that he replaced them, but I was checking these before I took it to the shop, and they were brand new too. Well, not the black plastic, but the inner seal that was inside the orange one was practically new. So I guess that was part of the kit that he bought. So yeah, I'm gonna put those back. Gonna do a little cleaning.
Let it rest for a while, then rinse it. And
now that they're clean, I'm gonna hit it with the protector, and it's gonna give it a nice shine. So I'm gonna let it dry for a bit and then just wipe it off. In the meantime, I'm gonna hit the bumper with the palm sander to see if I could find a way to get rid of these scratches before I get to doing something more. I get to sanding the whole car. So here I am attempting to get rid of one of the deepest scratches. I wet sanded just the actual scratch, and I'm gonna start rubbing it. I mean, hitting it with the rubbing compound, just this spot, just to see what happens. and we'll go from there. Okay guys, so wet sanding it down and then using rubbing compound did not get rid of it. So I sanded it down a bit more and applied a bead of clear, and let me show it to you guys. This is what I used. I had this one laying there from a different car. At the very bottom you got this, which is clear, and that's what I use. I applied a little bit on the actual scratch just to see if the clear will do it, and I applied some. I don't know if you can still see it, but now I'm wet sanding more just to get rid of that clear that I just applied, and kind of trying to leave it flush to the paint, to the original paint, to see if that takes care of it. If that helps, probably I'll just have to maybe re-clear the whole car, like one of you guys mentioned in the comment. So probably I do have to wet sand the whole car. If this works, guys, if this works, I'll probably just have to wet sand the whole car and apply clear, and then resand it again until the scratches are completely filled. Let me try it. You can see the scratch, but I can't feel it now. So, but that's the clear. We'll see what happens when I polish this small section. Okay, guys. So the scratch is right here. You can still see it right there. It helped a lot. It improved a lot, but it's still visible. So I don't know if I need to add more clear. I don't know if that thing's popped out or sunk in, but it's still there. So I'm gonna work on it a little bit more. Like I said in some of my comments, they are past the paint. Some of them got to the primer. Some of them went past the primer, like right here. So they are pretty deep, guys. I'm gonna find a way to refill those little scratches, and I'm thinking I'm gonna have to paint the whole car, because even though the paint that I'm gonna buy is, you know, it's the one the car needs, the same code, they still miss it a bit. They still miss it a bit, you know. It's not exactly the same color, even though it's the same code. They just miss the color by a bit. So if I do spots, paint some parts, you'll notice the difference, and I don't want that thing to, I don't want it to be that way, you know. I want the paint to flow evenly. Okay, so I'm trying to install this back up here, and this don't match with the hose, so I'm thinking that they did them the other way around. Maybe this one belongs here and this one belongs over here. That's what I'm thinking. So I'm gonna remove them and exchange them, put them on the other side to see if that helps. Okay guys, so I removed this one and it was like this. So this one has to be on this side, and as you can see, the screws are in the right spot, but this one actually goes right here. See how it fits a lot better. See, that's where it's gotta go. So this one belongs on that side, and this one belongs on this side, pointing. That's gotta be pointing the front. So they messed up on that. Good thing the car's running perfect and it's not smoking. But that's the only thing I found out wrong right now, and found out because I'm trying to install that top cap and it's not going in place. So let me loosen that one up and switch it on that side. That sucks. Can't see it, man. Didn't make it down here. Oh well. Gonna stop the video here, guys, so I could look for it. Okay, guys, found it. Okay, guys, so that's how I think it goes. You can see the little plate underneath. See, the plate grabs onto this screw to the original place, and that plate helps this plate bolt like an inch forward. It is a bit higher. I don't know why it's a bit higher, but it's not that much. So let me try that thing on. That one's in, and that one's in. So that's it, guys. There you guys.